Hello guys, good afternoon. Magluluto tayo ng kinamatisan guys na chicken buffalo wings at saka yung pork. Yung pork meat. Kinamatisang chicken buffalo wings at saka pork meat. Yung kamatis guys, so marami yan. Tapos lagyan ng dahon ng laurel, bawang, sibuyas, saka sili. Yun lang guys, simpleng kinamatisang pork meat at saka chicken wings. See you guys. Ito na yun guys, ginigisa ko muna yung pork meat at saka buffalo wings ng chicken natin guys. Yan guys. See you guys. Fresh and tasty. Fresh and tasty yung niluto natin guys na kinamatisang pork meat saka buffalo wings ng chicken guys. Yan guys. Ito yung pork natin guys. Pork meat saka yung chicken buffalo wings. Mapasok na yung ano niya guys. Yan. Tsaka low fire lang siya guys. Low fire lang yan guys. Para lalambot yung meat ng pork at saka yung chicken wings. See you guys sa kainan.